You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Exotic Meat Month. That's all I care about. So we're going to start right now. What are we doing today?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. I'm very curious about this. This is the 1 week. I think I'm going to like all the meats, but this is the 1 week that I'm not sure this one's going to be that great. So we'll find out, okay? So this is my friend Greg, and we just go to church together. What do you do for a living?
I'm a SQL developer.
SQL?
Yes, I type code.
He's a programmer.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Okay, why am I nervous now?
Not that kind of programming.
Oh, okay. So anyway, brought him over to do kangaroo omelets. So let's get started. So we have very few ingredients. We'll do the eggs. We're going to do kangaroo meat. We'll throw a little cheese in there. That's it. You've made an omelet before, guys, but let's do it again. First thing I want you to do is take this to the stove. I recommend, since we don't know how this cooks up, we're going to cook it to rare. Then when we put it in the omelet, it's going to cook a little bit more, just to be in the safe zone. We don't want to chew leather. Don't want to ruin this. I'm ready for this to start jumping around. I don't know why. Brown this first, then we'll show you what the next step is. It reacted like lean ground beef, and it smells good. We just seasoned with a little salt, pepper, garlic. But right now we're going to start the egg omelet. So go ahead and, how many would do? 4 or 6?
6. 6 will work.
Okay. Alright, so if you've never made an omelet before, shut off this video and go get in the kitchen and put some eggs together and practice making an omelet. If you haven't made an omelet before, you'll notice what Greg's doing. He's cracking all the eggs in a bowl. We're going to scramble them up, then we'll pour them in the pan. Let me show you a trick.
Alright.
Take 2 eggs and tap them to where you crack one.
Tap one? Well, I've got 6, so.
We're going to do 7 then.
Okay.
But you're gonna tap them, only 1 cracks every time.
Really?
Yeah, tap them. There you go. Open the one that cracks.
Alright.
Is that crazy?
That is crazy.
Alright. Go ahead and pour all our eggs in there. Smells good already.
It does sound good.
We're going to give that a minute to cook up a little bit, get a nice little kind of base. You can move it around to see how much is done. We're about halfway cooked. We're going to bring over the cheese and spread the cheese in. We'll get that melting.
You ready for the cheese?
Yeah, good for the cheese.
I like a lot of cheese in my omelet. I don't know about the other guys.
Oh, yeah. Cheese is like seasoning. You can never put too much cheese. And then you're going to...
You need more cheese, or is that enough?
No, that's good. It's good.
Okay.
Then we're going to bring the meat over. Go ahead and let's hold back a little bit. Right there. Okay. Let that cook up a little bit. You can cut right in the middle if you want.
That's right.
And then flip it. There you go. There it is.
That's the money shot.
That's it right there, baby. Alright? He did a great job. Normally, I'd throw a bunch of hot sauce on this omelet, but we're trying to get the flavor of the kangaroo into our mouth without tainting it too much. Give it a little salt, a little pepper, a little garlic. Okay? So, give that a minute. I want to talk to you about exotic meats. What exotic meat would you like to try the next month I do it? What meat? Anything in the zoo.
Anything in a zoo, not aquarium?
Or aquarium.
I've never had shark. But everybody tells me shark is really
Oh
good.
my gosh, you've never had shark?
Never had shark.
We literally cooked shark on Shark Week.
Oh, I
Discovery.
should have.
People got really upset.
Oh, really?
Oh well.
Well, it wasn't a dolphin, so.
Okay, so you want to do shark again, or you want to do another sea creature?
I don't know. We can do.
We can do shark again if you
Do
want.
shark again?
Yeah.
Okay. What about?
I'm gonna do a little study up and make it the best we can make it.
Now, I'm a Tennessee Vol fan.
Okay.
What about for Tennessee Gator Week and
What about orange roughy?
yeah, either that or you can cook some gator tail.
Well, we're already doing gator at the end of the month with
Okay.
me and Paul.
Gotcha.
So I was thinking more of the realm of like snake, zebra, camel, whatever.
Never thought about zebra. It sounds like it might be a little tough, but most people wouldn't think horse.
Well,
If you're thinking
It
exotic
is-
meat, let's go.
it is
let's
a
go with-
horse.
Let's go zebra.
can you ride a zebra?
don't
Can you shoot it and turn it into a bottle of glue? I don't know, but I call it a horse. You think about it. So, shark is number 1, and zebra number 2.
Yes, we'll go zebra number 2.
Okay, let me see what I can get my hands on, because I'm almost positive we're doing this again. People love this idea. Crazy for it. So, coming up is elk, rabbit, and I'm doing alligator with Paul. And I think he wants to stuff the tail with boudin.
Okay.
Go figure. Paul's really New Orleans. So, let's give this a try. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's give it a shot.
Alright. I got a big chunk of meat here. It tastes totally fine.
It is. It does
It's
taste
not
like,
even dry.
it's not as dry as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be
Me too.
like a really lean ground beef or like a turkey almost.
The kangaroo meat falls halfway between ground beef and ground turkey. No gaminess. Zero. You get any? Oh,
No. Yeah, I mean, it's,
I
you
get
can
a
tell that,
little aftertaste.
yeah, there is an after. I was about to say that after.
But eating it, it's not like eating venison. You can taste that right away. So when it comes to kangaroo, blown away. This is the one meat I thought I'd hate. Well, hate is such a strong word. I thought I would dislike and wouldn't taste good. So, Greg, how cool to tell everybody at work that you had kangaroo.
Most of them already know. I called it Roo. Play off of Winnie the Pooh. I'm eating baby Roo.
Oh, I'd never play off Winnie the Pooh. I only used it in the thumbnail. But, guys, it literally is totally okay. I mean, it's almost good. I'm almost enjoying the flavor. Great job. So, Jack Jr.'s coming over right now to try it because he's dying to try it. So I'll let you know what he thinks later. But for right now, Kangaroo's a winner. It's a go. Wild Fork is the website I ordered it from. They have lots of exotics. Check them out. I don't work for them. They're not a sponsor. They're the only place I can go to get it. So anyway, I love you guys. I'll see you on the next episode. Say goodbye.
Take care, everybody. He better eat his before I eat his.
Bye-bye.